Yes, the height of activity here at the Olympic Stadium. Right here is the water cube, famous water cube, and over here is a venue, one of the venues of the Olympics, and over there somewhere is the stadium. Over here. Okay, so we'll head over here on my trusty little bike to the stadium. As you can see, there's tons and tons of people still come in every day. The school group. Funny, they got the same hat. So we've got the bird's nest, the famous bird's nest. Okay, great. I am stuck behind the school group. That's great. What is it? That's nice of them. They've got all music playing on the background. Beautiful. Alright. Okay, here we are in the open, the Olympic Village. Finally made it after like a 1 hour bike ride from the center of Beijing. Finally here. I thought I was lost about 100 times, and as I said before, there is no one that can help me because no one speaks English in this place. Isn't that great? And everyone thinks I'm Chinese and starts speaking to me Mandarin. So that's it, the Olympic Village.